Hey kids, Zombie Steve here. Let me tell you about all new channel that I am a part of. And it's a super cool place called Alphabet Land. Ooh, and it's a YouTube channel called Alphabet Bunch. Haha, and me learned all the letters here. And me made a lot of friends there. Oh, hi there, buddy. Are you hungry? Yep, me really hungry. Have some macaroni. Ooh, macaroni. And everybody's super nice there. Hey, buddy, you want some tacos? Ooh, we love tacos! They even have all kinds of good food there. Hey, you gonna eat that hat? Huh, I don't eat hats. Oh, good, me do. Yep, me had lots of fun there, but now me have indigestion. Me burp all day long. Anyway, make sure you check out their channel called Alpha Bunch, or hit the link below to see me review toys that start with the letter M on their channel. And I have lots of fun. Haha.